Hey, welcome back to Worldwide Giant Growers Bubba Crapped His Pants video. I got bad news to share with you people. I accidentally mixed up the foiler jug with the ground clear jug, and it didn't get rinsed out. There was just a little splash in the bottom of it, maybe an ounce at the most, but it got mixed in with the foiler spray, and me, half asleep at the wheel, I sprayed the plants with ground clear, and this was about a week ago, and we can see they're only getting worse. It was a very thin batch. I wasn't gonna tell everybody, this is the kind of stuff you don't want to talk about, but hey, I believe in total transparency. Make sure you keep your jugs marked. I didn't mark the jugs. I got busy, working, stuff going on at home. Not sleeping good. I got all kinds of excuses, but I grabbed the wrong jug. And you can see right here, this yellow, this is your new growth. All the new growth is stunted. All the new growth is dying. Now the good thing is, I'm not dying because Eri wants to kill me. Yeah. Right, Eri?
Yeah.
Eri's ticked. He says,
that big one there, man.
The 1911 Urena was his favorite. It was doing beautiful.
Giant leaves on it.
Had giant leaves, but hasn't done squat. No.
All yellow.
Yeah.
It's dying.
So thank God, our good friend Dan Fleeser has saved the day. Dan has given us a couple of good plants, and here's one. The 1794 Cotterman is now going to grow on the ground. And this is actually the 2009 Wallace times the 2145 McMullen. 1794 Cotterman. So that's going in the ground. It's not a monster, but hey, it's sure better than starting from scratch. And it's orange. I love orange. Then we have the 2003 Deletus, and I really want to give a special thanks to Dan for bailing us out. My good buddy Dan, 2003 Deletus, which is from last year, which I was told was orange. I think they all have some 2145 genetics in it. But down there, we got the 1587 Caspers, Pete Caspers, which I believe is a 2145 Selft. And it was also, I believe, orange. So either way you go, we've got some great genetics, 2145 genetics. For those that don't know, the 2145 grew the world record 2624 Matthias Williams from Belgium. It also grew my 2043 and many others. Dave Steltz's personal best. A lot of just on and on personal best came from that 2145.
I thought he was out of Sweden.
Sweden, that's Switzerland. Switzerland was Benny Meyer. Benny Meyer was a previous world record holder. Great grower. Grew 3 world records in 1 year. Benny Meyer from Switzerland. But Matthias Williams from Belgium, I sent him a 2145 McMullen back in 2016. He grew a world record. My only claim to fame. But hey, check out this 2003 Deletus. It's already laying down on the ground. So we're going to take some root inoculant. Doesn't matter what brand you use, folks. Just use some mycorrhiza. Coat your roots with it as you put it in the ground. And there you have it. But you can see all the new growth is yellow, dying. Some people would say, hey, leave it. But nope, we're not going to leave it. There it goes. She's gone. Now Becky, right back. Don't be swinging at me. All right, she's gone. And here, this is the 1734. This is when it really hurts me the most, is my big orange baby is coming out. Oh no. There we go. We're murderers. We're murderers. So, anyways, there you go. There you have it. We're going to stick these back in. So we just went a little bit backwards, I would say. But tip to the wise, I hate to even use that ground clear stuff. I know it's not good stuff. But the weeds, if you got weeds all over the place, you're going to have insects, you're going to have problems. But mark your containers, keep them separated. Lesson learned. Bubba crapped his pants. All right, stay tuned. We're going to get some sunshine. They're saying tomorrow the sun's going to shine. The whole month of May has been nothing but crap city.
Out here was shining good.
But we can't get a full day of sun, can we, Eri?
It's nuts, man.
Pure Michigan, pure bull. All right, man. Join us. We're going to keep them growing. We're still hoping we can win the Michigan State Fair. If we got a good warm September, who knows? Who knows what these genetics will do? If the weather turns around.
You better pray.
I got to start praying because Eri's,
Touch your balls off, man.
hey now, hey, this is a family video, mister. All right, man. We'll talk to you soon, man. You guys keep them growing. We'll talk to you soon, man. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com.